Good afternoon, Solivay Nation. Ricardo Gloria in Kansas City saying hi to all of you beautiful people out there. Well, check this out. I want to share something with you guys real quick. You see behind me is Hector's Auto Repair. This gentleman here owns a few of the corners in this a big intersection here in Kansas City, Missouri. It's a 9th and Prospect. Very, very busy area. And we started out here a few weeks ago just, you know, promoting the service, you know, setting up the Kansas City Takeover wagon, you know, my Hummer and the tent and the flags. And, you know, we got a pretty nice setup here. And people start liking it. People start coming in. I tell you, we've enrolled about, I'm going to say 27, 26 people. So about 9 trios or so since we've been out here. And Mr. Hector seen the vision. He's seen the vision so much. I'm going to show you what he's going to do. You see that corner behind me over there. I think we can see a pretty familiar logo. You know, the colors, the yellow and the purple. Mr. Hector is seeing the vision now. People around this area now want the store. They want the support. They want to grow it. And we got a lot of visionaries in this area. So I just wanted to share with you guys real quick. If you start sharing and don't stop, it doesn't matter, like I've said it before, if it's hot, if it's windy, if it's the traffic slow, people don't stop. Once they start stopping, they'll never stop. You know, I mean, once they start stopping by and talking to you, it'll never stop. They'll keep bringing families and friends, and while it can start as a setup like this, it can end up as a setup as over there. So I'm telling you guys, keep sharing the vision, keep sharing the opportunity. Start obviously with the service, with the savings, and the people will come. The people will come because they like what you gotta say. Keep a positive attitude, keep your smile on your face, keep telling everybody about the great opportunity. Be transparent, persistence pays off. Love you guys from Kansas City, Ricardo Gloria.